What's going on, trading world? Welcome back to another payout video. And you know, when we do a payout video, we always do a giveaway, and to enter the giveaway you're gonna have to stick around for the rest of the video. But I'm super excited to be shooting this video, man, for a couple of reasons. Number one, this is the first time that I'm getting a payout from a 200k account. I always trade 100k accounts. It's just what works best for my psychology. But recently I've been doing a 200k challenges, so this is the first time I'm getting a 200k challenge payout basically. And also this is the first time I'm getting a payout from the funded trader program. I've never gotten one from them. I've done FTMO, My Forex Funds, True Forex Funds, and a bunch of other companies, but funded trader program, this is my first experience. I'm going to show you guys in the computer how the withdrawal process looks like. I made about 9%, you could say, almost $19,000. And yeah, man, I'm just super excited to be getting this payout. I don't really show all of my payout videos anymore, like I said, for personal reasons, but I do like to do them every now and then. And the reason is just motivation. You know, this is something that I used to look for in YouTube when I was starting out, and I wanted to see people actually get payouts because it used to motivate me. And one of the biggest reasons I'm really doing this is to motivate my own community. I like to lead by example. We have one of the best trading communities in the world by far. We have over 100 funded students, and we've just got a great group of people, man. It's amazing in Discord. So shooting this video, I know, will really motivate a lot of my members, a lot of the people that I trade with, and we're just gonna keep leveling up this year, man. We have over 100 funded students. We're gonna be getting more. A lot of people still getting profit splits, and I love sharing this with people, man. I think it really makes a difference. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hop into my computer. I'm gonna show you guys the withdrawal process, you know, my equity chart, what my win rate was, because my win rate was really interesting to see. And yeah, I'll just show you guys the payout, and at the end of the video I'm gonna tell you what account I'm giving away, what amount of account I'm giving away, and how you can enter that giveaway. We've done so many challenge giveaways, but today's is gonna be special. So watch the rest of this video and let's hop into my computer. All right, we are in my computer. At the end of the video, I'm going to tell you guys how you guys can enter that giveaway for the challenge, and I'm going to go over sort of the withdrawal process. What I thought, this is the first time I'm getting a withdrawal from the funded trader program. This is the first time with the 200k. This is my first 200k with them. And here we go, man. This was the account. I made a total of 9%, I guess you could say. So I made $19,000. The profit was $19,173. I'd like to talk to you guys about my win rate and, you know, how this actually happened, right? So if we go to my equity chart real quick, I started off real good, right? I made like $7,000, and if I should have stuck to my rules and some of the things that I teach, I should have taken a payout, right? Because you should always make a little bit of money and then take the payout so you can get your investment back. Also, this was August, and August is always a bad month for me, but I didn't follow my own rules and I kept trading, and look what happened, right? I went into drawdown, whatever it was. It wasn't a major drawdown, but I did go into drawdown. September hit, and boom, I smashed it out the park. And yeah, I went all the way up there to $19,400, which is really good. I typically don't even try to make this much money. I just try to go for between 4 to 6%, but there were some really good opportunities, and that's where I want to come to this win rate. You see, my win rate is about 36%. My loss rate is about 61%. Typically my win rate on the better month is in the range of 40 to 45 to 48%, but I had a bad August. All right, I had a rough start to the September. But the reason I'm profitable is because we have it's part of my strategy, right? The A+ system that we have, the A+ setup that we have in Trading LP, and our scale-in method that we use at Trading LP. So even with a low win rate, as long as I can find one good A+ setup and a bunch of scale-ins, that's all I really need to make money. I could be losing money the whole month, which I literally did this whole time when I was going sideways. Found one or two really good trades, found some amazing scale-ins, and all I need for a win rate is 36% to make $19,000. So that, you know, that's where strategy, psychology, and risk management come in. But once you've got those things perfected, you need a system like we have. You need to have your own A grade setup. You need to be able to scale in, and you need to be able to maximize your winners, right? Even if you're losing, like I was losing crazy here. So anyways, it is what it is. But yeah, 200k, whatever, average RR 3.6R. I usually don't even take past 3R for profit taking with my original entry. So I take 2%, maybe 2.5%. The reason the RR is so big there is because when I do my scale-in entries, that's when I just murder it. 5R, 4R, 3R, 6R, that's no issue right there. And you can see my winners were always bigger than my losers. These were all scale-in entries, and we can go to the next page and all that stuff. So what I really like about the funded trader program, man, is that they've made a really clean new dashboard. I love how they're constantly improving that. This is my first time actually looking at this dashboard like this. It's really good, and I hope the payout process is smooth, which is right here. It says in the profit sharing section. So I made basically 19,000 whatever. 80% is the profit share. What I'm gonna get is $15,300, and I guess they give you a certificate now as well. I've put in the request and it says that it should be done in 3 business days, so hopefully I'll be getting that payout shortly, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, really cool. I see they have a leaderboard as well, and yeah, this was one of my first 200k payouts. I plan on continuing to work with the Funded Trader program. Also, if you want a really nice discount with this company, we are one of the few affiliates that actually has a 12% discount with the Funded Trader program. You can find the link in the description below. If you want to learn how to smash challenges like this, we have a losing month and still make 15 grand, hit the link in the description below, tradinglp.com. We have over 100 funded students, and let's just get to how you can get to enter this challenge giveaway. So what you need to do is you need to like this video, you need to subscribe to the channel, head over to my Instagram page, which is this, use the one in the link in the description because there's a bunch of fake profiles. Follow me on Instagram because Instagram is where I'm going to be picking the winner live via YouTube comment generator. And I think the challenge we'll probably do is again another challenge. Yeah, so rules are like the video, subscribe, leave a comment below, let me know what you guys think about this video. Do you want to see more content like this? Do you want to see some strategy videos? And basically whatever comment you're leaving below is one of the ones that's going to get picked, and you have to follow me on Instagram to see who the winner will be. I don't know when this video is going to come out, so whenever this video comes out, probably a couple of days later, I'll pick the winner via Instagram live. All right, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Hope this was motivational. Please consider subscribing and have a great day.